In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a meal plan that is longer than 7 days. Each individual plan inside of That Clean Life can hold up to 7 days. If you'd like to create a meal plan that is longer than 7 days, simply create multiple weekly plans and then combine them into a collection. For example, let's design a 21-day program together. This program will be a 21-day, one-pan meals for busy parents program. First, create your meal plans. The planner holds 7 days, so you'll need to create 3 separate meal plans. This will also ensure your client is only shopping for the items they need each week. To create a meal plan, click on Planner and then select New. In this example, we'll first use a template option. Click New and select Template. Search any keywords to see if a template is available for you. Select the template and then click Continue. Rename your plan to reflect your program name. Then click Create Plan. Since this template is already done for you, you've just created your first week. You can remove or add recipes as needed to change up the template. Once you're done, start on the next week. In this example, for week 2, we'll create a second week using the blank planner option. Click on New, Blank, and name your plan. Be sure to set any planner rules within the Rules tab, including tags and ingredient exclusions. Now that your planner has been created, you're ready to add recipes. You can do this by clicking into any open slot and searching for any keyword. Any recipes that populate will match your rules. You can update your rules at any time by clicking into the Smart button or the gear icon and adding or removing rules as needed. If you need to use more robust filters, such as finding recipes high in fiber or low in sodium, you can head to the Recipes tab. Apply your original tags, and then layer on any additional filters, such as high in fiber or low in sodium. Click into any recipe card to add it to your plan. Repeat this process until all of the weeks in your program have been created. Be sure to mark items as leftovers as needed. When your meal plans are complete, you're ready to add them to a collection. Select the icon with the 3 dots within each meal plan and select Add to Collection. If you haven't yet created a collection, click Create Collection and give your collection a name. Then select the Add Plan button. Repeat this for each week, accessing previous weeks under the Recents button. Once all of your weeks have been added to your collection, you're ready to share your collection with your client. Click on Collections and locate your collection on the left-hand side. Select the Share button and click the toggle to turn on and generate a link. Copy the link and be sure to turn on any other permissions you'd like your client to have. If you'd like to include a welcome note or detailed instruction for your clients, use attachments. You can add 2 types of attachments: a link or rich text, which allows you to format text of any length. To create an attachment, select the Attachments tab inside the Sharing dialog and then click on New Attachment. Select the type of attachment you'd like to create. For this example, we will create a welcome message, so we'll choose Rich Text. Enter a name and input your message in the content area. If you'd like to choose from our already written snippets, select Apply from Snippet. Select Templates and choose the template that you'd like to use. For this example, we'll use a meal plan introduction. Apply the template and customize your introduction accordingly. To save it, select Create Attachment. If you'd like this message to be the first thing your client sees, be sure to pin this message by clicking the icon with the 3 dots and selecting Pin Attachment. Your clients will be greeted with this message when they visit the shared link. You can always unpin this attachment by selecting the icon with the 3 dots and selecting Unpin Attachment. And if you need to edit or delete your attachment, you can select those options here too. Once your permissions are set, copy the link under the Details tab and share it with your client in an email or using your practice management software. When your client clicks the link, they will be able to see all 3 weeks of the 21-day program you have built for them. The plans and lists are separated week by week, making shopping a breeze and meal prep so easy for them. And that's how easy it is to make a meal plan longer than 7 days.